Do you want to know the best 3 ways to make money in 2024? Today's your lucky day, because these 3 ways that I'm about to show you are 100% online and anybody can do it from their phone or laptop. Make sure to watch till the end, because in my opinion, the last one is the best. I have something to tell you before we start. If you're not willing to work hard when picking one of these 3, unfortunately, this isn't meant for you. Now that those people are gone, we can begin. Online courses and digital products. If you have experience in a particular topic, creating and selling online courses, ebooks, templates, or digital tools can be a profitable way to monetize your knowledge. Platforms like Udemy, Hotmart, Podia, and many others provide tools and resources to create and sell digital products to a global audience. Of course, you need somehow to get people to see your product so they're able to buy it. That's where social media comes in. Make high-quality videos advertising your online product on as many platforms as you can. To make good videos, you could use CapCut, one of the most simple editing software out there, and it's free. Dropshipping. Establishing an online store and starting dropshipping allows you to sell products without holding inventory. You partner with suppliers who handle storage and shipment of products directly to customers. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce make it easy to set up your online store. You can find many videos on YouTube teaching dropshipping step by step. Content creation. Creating content on platforms like YouTube or TikTok can generate income through various ways, such as monetizing, sponsorships, and sales. Starting content creation from zero with no subscribers or followers is very difficult, because you also need to build a loyal audience and consistently produce high-quality content. And trust me, it is not easy. But if you don't give up, and you are consistently uploading videos, you will go viral. This works because each video you post, you will be better than the last one, because you learn new skills each time. So by posting many videos that you put effort into, nothing can stop you. A tip would be watching many videos from YouTubers that post the type of content you want to post, and try to learn as many things as you can. I hope you are able to pick one, but remember, if you will not have consistency, don't even waste your time starting one of these. Like and subscribe for more videos like this one, where I'm helping you to become a better and successful person.